Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for a data analyst role. First, focus on building a strong foundation. Excel is crucial for initial data handling and visualization, so practice its functions extensively. Next, dive into SQL to efficiently query and manage large datasets. Finally, grasp fundamental statistical concepts to accurately interpret your findings and make data-driven recommendations. These core skills are your starting point. Once your foundation is solid, move to programming. Python or R are essential for more complex analysis, machine learning, and automation. Choose one and become proficient. Simultaneously, learn a data visualization tool such as Tableau or Power BI to create compelling dashboards and reports. Remember, presenting data clearly is as important as analyzing it. Also, dedicate time to practicing data cleaning, as real-world data is rarely perfect. Now, it's time to apply your knowledge through practical projects. Work on personal projects that genuinely interest you, using diverse datasets to solve real-world problems. Consider contributing to open-source data projects to gain collaborative experience. Document your process and findings thoroughly. Finally, create a professional portfolio on platforms like GitHub or a personal website to showcase your best work to potential employers. This demonstrates your capabilities. The data field evolves rapidly, so continuous learning is vital. Regularly explore new tools, techniques, and industry trends to remain competitive. Engage with the data community by attending webinars, joining online forums, and participating in local meetups. Networking can open doors to new opportunities and insights. And hey, while you're at it, check the description for a link to some great deals, including those awesome darn tough socks. Keep learning and connecting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.